Have you ever fallen out with a long-standing friend over a trivial drunken argument and now don't know what to do? Today, we delve into the psychology of friendship and discover 7 ways to mend the rift and strengthen your bond. Welcome to Couch Psychology, where today we tackle a common yet often overlooked aspect of our social lives, rescuing a friendship after a drunken argument. Just like the complexities we navigate in our own minds, friendships too can face trials and tribulations, particularly when alcohol blurs the lines of communication and understanding. In a world where connections can be as fragile as they are deep, it's not uncommon to find ourselves in a situation where a fun night out turns into a regrettable argument. These moments, whilst challenging, also offer an opportunity for growth and deeper understanding. Our journey today is not just about repairing a friendship, it's about understanding the underlying dynamics that led to the fallout. By acknowledging the role of alcohol, emotions and communication breakdowns, we can begin to see these incidents not as friendship enders, but as stepping stones to a more resilient and understanding relationship. Join me as we explore 7 key steps to not only mend a friendship after a drunken argument, but also to strengthen and deepen your bond. From acknowledging the issue to actively working on communication and empathy, these strategies are your toolkit for turning a moment of weakness into a lifetime of stronger friendship. 1. Acknowledgement and apology. Start by acknowledging the argument. Reach out to your friend and sincerely apologize, regardless of who started it. Emphasize that your friendship is more important than a disagreement. A heartfelt apology shows maturity and the willingness to mend the rift, setting the stage for reconciliation. Number 2, understanding the trigger. Reflect on what sparked the argument. Was it a hidden resentment, a misunderstood joke, or just the alcohol talking? Understanding the root cause helps prevent future conflicts. Discuss this with your friend when you are both sober. It's essential to recognize these triggers to ensure they don't reoccur. Number 3, open communication. Arrange a time to talk when you're both calm. Use I feel statements to express your emotions without blaming. Listen actively to your friend's perspective. This open dialogue is crucial for clearing misunderstandings and conveying your commitment to the friendship. Remember, it's about understanding each other, not winning an argument. Number 4, rebuilding trust. Trust is rebuilt through consistent actions over time. Show through your behavior that you're committed to being a better friend. This might mean being more considerate, reliable, or simply checking in more often. Small, consistent gestures can gradually restore the trust that was shaken by the argument. Number 5, learning from the experience. Use this incident as a learning curve. Discuss with your friend how similar situations can be avoided in the future. Maybe it's setting limits on drinking or even avoiding certain topics when alcohol is involved. Learning and adapting from these experiences will not only prevent future conflicts, but also strengthen your friendship. Number 6, strengthening the bond. Rebuild your friendship by creating new, positive experiences together. Plan activities you both enjoy or try something new together. These shared experiences can heal past wounds and reinforce your bond. It's also an opportunity to make new memories, overshadowing the negative ones from the argument. Number 7, continuous reflection and growth. Friendships evolve, so it's important to regularly reflect on and nurture your relationship. Keep the lines of communication open and be open to feedback. Growing together, adapting to changes in each other's lives and supporting one another through ups and downs solidifies a friendship that can withstand any storm. So as we conclude our exploration of mending friendships after a drunken argument, it's important to remember that conflict, while challenging, can also be a catalyst for growth and deeper understanding. These steps we've discussed today are more than just a way to mend a rift. They're a pathway to a more empathetic, resilient, and fulfilling friendship. Friendships, much like our inner psychological workings, are complex and multifaceted. They require care, attention, and most importantly, the willingness to grow and adapt. The journey we've taken today highlights the importance of communication, understanding, and empathy in maintaining strong social bonds. Remember, the key to a lasting friendship lies not in avoiding conflict, but in how you navigate and grow from these experiences. Embrace the lessons we've learned from these challenges and use them to forge a stronger, more understanding bond with your friend. Thank you for joining me on this journey on couch psychology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the intricate world of human relationships and psychology. Until next time, nurture your friendships, embrace growth, and step confidently into a future where your relationships are as strong and resilient as you are.